What's up guys? So we got new lights from our motorcycle. If you can see them, they're actually like real covering. You can see the back flashing red and blue. Go check that out. These two lights do the same, but this red one only doesn't do the same as this one. Got light under flashing white. So, and let me just go ahead and turn on the light. So, I just figured out something outside while the camera was against the camera. These can actually move. You can move them around. So when they're more closer, you can go like that, or if you don't want them, put your lights up, you can do it like that. So I'm gonna put this on the roof and let you guys look at the roof. You just turn off the lights. Look at the roof now. Alright, so I'm just put these back.
3.
So guys, it's time to test it in the night. Let's go. Why is this one black? You can see, it's already like a real car. But let's actually test it. I'm gonna take a little spin, but not all the way, because it's too night. I don't want to go all the way. So let's go. So far good. If you can see all the way from the distance. If you see that black car, you can see it on the lights. I'm gonna take one more spin. This time I'm gonna have a special light with me. My boy. Boy right here. Only this looks like those toy trees. Guys, if you can look at the tree, look at those trees over there. So in real life it looks like that, but when I shine the light, it looks like fake. Look how fake it looks, that's cool. Alright, let's go with my buddy. Back. That's all for the video.